Good morning everyone. Welcome to you ABAP 2024 series. So today we are going to discuss different type of loops in SAP ABAP. Okay. So you all must be aware that there are basically two types of loop statements, right? In different programming languages. So in ABAP also there are 2 to 3 types of loop statements. Okay, first is do, and do. Okay, do 10 times, so let's discuss one by one. Let's first discuss do. Okay, so here you see do 10 times, then write hello. So this is something which will do 10 times, then it will come out of the loop. Okay, if in program you have to do something like 10 times, then you can use this kind of statements. Okay, but these kind of statements are used very rarely. Okay, but a variation of this do and do is being used in different programs. Okay, so we will discuss that. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, so it just prints 10 times hello. Okay, now declare data argument type n length 2. Okay, so now value assignments lb num equal to 20. Okay, now do, instead of 10 I am writing lb num. Okay, now save this one, check, activate. Okay, now I am executing this. You can see the same thing runs 20 times, right? So instead of directly mentioning the times, you can mention a variables. Okay, then you can do those many iterations of the work you want to do inside this do and undo. Okay, so this is one thing. Now the next statement is do. Okay, no times, only do and do. Okay, now here I am going to declare a value or variable lv value 1 type I, and you all know for the data type integer we don't have to specify length, because the type I is a complete data type. Okay, so now lv value 1 equal to 1. Okay, so here do, then statement. Inside this statement I am incrementing this lv underscore value 1 by 1 in each iterations. Okay, now value 1 equal to lv value 1 plus 1. Okay, then write lv val 1 equal to comma lv val 1. Okay, now so here we have not maintained for how many iterations this loop will execute. Okay, if you just leave this one, let's comment this one. Okay, if you just leave this one, this program will enter into an infinite loop. Okay, so we must have some conditions that will stop the loop. Okay, if lb bar1 is greater than equal to 5, okay, then and if, then here exit. So you can use this exit statement to exit the loop. Okay, so now see, save this one, check, activate and execute. So you can see 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, then after 6 it is greater than equal to 5. Okay, so the loop stopped and the output you can see here. Okay, now simple thing, you want to see if the LV value equal to 6, then why we are seeing this. So simply to avoid that, just put this after this one. Okay, so in that case for the first loop our LV value has 1 plus 1 equal to 2. So this 2 is greater than equal to 5, no, so it will write 2. Then again in the next loop it will be 3 is greater than equal to 5, no, again it will print like that, it will print. Let's see what are the results. Okay, see 2 3 4 5, and when it is 6 it exited before the write statement, hence you cannot see the 6. So this is do with a if conditions. Okay, now the next loop is loop. Okay, so this loop we can see in the later part of this discussion. Okay, why? Because this is not something we can just see it. To understand this loop and loop statement, we need to understand how the complex data types in ABAP works. Okay, so once we know this one, then we will see how the loop and loop works. Okay, so don't worry about that, we will see this. And before that we need to see some SQL statements in ABAP. Okay, so any questions, any doubt, please reach out to us. You have all the details, all the options available to reach out to us, so don't worry. So we will again meet in the next sessions with a new video. Okay, see you, bye bye.